In Vastu Shastra, Dakshin Disha, or the south direction, holds significant importance due to its association with powerful energies and deities. According to ancient Vedic texts, the south is ruled by Yamraj, the god of death and justice. This direction is also influenced by the Mangal Graha or planet Mars, which symbolize strength, aggression, and transformation. While Mangal Graha primarily governs the Agni Kona or southeast direction, its fiery energy still resonates with the southern zone. The energy of the south is intense and demands careful consideration when arranging spaces to maintain harmony and avoid negative influences. The presiding deity of the south direction is Yamraj, who represents discipline, karma, and the transition between life and death. His energy is stern and authoritative, making it essential to respect this zone in Vastu Shastra. While Mangal Graha or planet Mars is the ruling planet of the southeast, its qualities, courage, conflict, and vitality can influence the south as well. Thus, the south direction can either empower or destabilize a space depending on how it is utilized. Let's see what should be kept in the south direction. There are many wrong beliefs and incomplete information about the south direction. Many half-true ideas have been spread, which have created a false image that the south direction is weak, unlucky, or bad. This negative talk about the south direction has made people scared, but the truth is completely different. No direction is naturally unlucky in Vastu Shastra, but if the south direction is not balanced, people living there may face problems. That's why it's important to understand what makes the south direction good or bad, and what easy solutions can be used if needed. As we already mentioned, the south direction is ruled by Mangal Graha, the planet Mars, and its main deity is Yamraj, the god of death. But this direction is also connected with the presence of Devi Lakshmi, goddess of wealth, prosperity, and fortune. In Vedic astrology, Mangal Graha stands for courage, leadership, starting new things, and authority. People who take bold steps and begin new work with confidence often get early success and wealth. Now let's see what should be kept in the south direction. According to Vastu, the south direction should always be strong and carry weight. The south is ideal for placing heavy and stationary objects, as this direction supports stability. Items like weight-bearing furniture are well suited here, as they align with disciplined energy of Yamraj. Rooms on the south side of the house should be used for important work or as bedrooms. People working from home should try to set up their workspace in the south direction and face north or east while working, as this makes the south direction lucky. Yamraj rules this direction. Hence, when remembering loved ones who have passed away or offering food in their memory, one should face south. In the same way, when going for important work, facing south and remembering ancestors while asking for blessings helps bring success. Vastu believes money comes from north, prosperity and goodwill from east. Thus, in the order of preference, south, southwest, and lastly the west corner of the room should be occupied by the tijori or safe, such that the safe opens to north, northeast, or east. Electrical appliances such as inverters and generators can also be placed in the south, since Mangal Graha governs machinery and technology. Avoid placing electrical appliances in the northeast direction, which is associated with water and can potentially disrupt the flow of positive energy. Since south direction is governed by the fire element, water elements like water storage, wells or bathrooms, in the south create Vastu Dosh. Placing a picture or idol of Bhagwan Hanuman in the south is considered highly beneficial, as Lord Hanuman is symbol of strength and protection. However, it is advised that the idol should face north or east, ensuring it guards against negative influences from other directions. Another favorable placement in the south is Deepak or oil lamp or Agni Kund, fire pit, as fire is associated with Mangal Graha. Lighting a lamp in this direction can enhance positivity and drive away darkness. However, all fire-related elements must be handled with care to prevent mishaps. Now let's see what should not be kept in the south direction. The south is highly sensitive, and certain objects can disrupt its energy flow. Avoid placing water elements such as fountains, aquariums, or swimming pools in this zone, as water clashes with the fiery nature of Mangal Graha and may result in financial losses or health issues. Similarly, large windows in the south is generally discouraged, as they may allow excessive heat and negative energies to enter the home. Windows on the south side should be smaller and fewer than those on the north and east sides. To block extra sunlight, one can use colored films or dark curtains on south-facing windows. The sunlight from the south is very strong and hot, with more infrared rays which are not good for health. That is why we are careful about being in the sun in the afternoon. Importantly, do not place toilets or garbage bins in the south, as they can attract negativity and hinder prosperity. Also, avoid placing Tulsi plant in this zone, as it prefers north, east, or Ishan Kon, northeast, and does not harmonize with southern energies. If the south direction is disturbed, the fire element goes out of balance, which can lead to high expenses, family fights, arguments, accidents, blood problems, and heat-related sickness. Children may face marriage delays, people may not succeed, even after working hard, and there may be laziness and lack of willpower. Contrary to a common misconception, sleeping with your head towards the south is actually considered auspicious in Vastu Shastra. It aligns with the Earth's magnetic field and promotes restful sleep, especially for adults. The inauspicious direction is north, where placing the head can disrupt blood circulation and attract health issues. The east is also a favorable direction for head placement, especially for students and children. You can watch our previous videos on Tulsi plant and garbage bins Vastu placements. Link is in the description box.
That is all for today. If you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit. God bless you.